Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add NAT rules for port forwarding on ASUS ROG router. To do this, first we'll need to open ASUS router app. Inside, navigate to the settings. Here select the gaming, go for open NAT, and right here you'll be able to click on this plus button to create a new rule. Then select the game that you want for that rule. You can also find it. For example, we can go for Arma 3. Arma 3 server, then we can select devices for the open NAT rule, apply it, and now that port should be opened. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment.